Hey, this is Wes Bailey at Wes Bailey Attorney at Law, and I'm going to get kind of personal for a moment about what's the hardest thing about family law. And really, in family law, the hardest thing for me is seeing families argue. That there was once a big love and a big unity, and now it's gone. So that can be hard. It's hard for attorneys to see, but it's also hard and real for the families. So, what I want to say to anyone who's dealing with a custody, a family law, a divorce, is that definitely understand that. And we definitely see that. So, if you have that problem, we have experience in family law issues. Give us a call. Say less. Call Wes. We're always here to understand it's not easy. And it's definitely not easy to go it alone. Thanks.